Well, I found my flip. It was in my grooming bag. So I thought I'd give you all a little preview of things to come. That's Pinky. Pinky Pooh. She's always on the hunt for food. It looks like she might be giving up. Puppies! Puppies! They can't hear me yet. She says, "Where's my mommy?" Isn't it fun to watch puppies sleep? Oh, you got the jumps. That's a good thing, actually. It means their brains are working. Puppies. Puppies. Hey, buddy. Hey, puppy. I think that's Purple Girl. That's Purple Girl. And here is Peach. Hey, Peachy Boo. Hey, girl. Hey, girly girl. She says, "Is that a ninny?" And that's little Navy Boy with his head popped up. And that's Green Boy next to him. This is my pretty orange boy. Hey, buddy. Oops. And all of a sudden, Yellow came out of her sleep. Same old names. I wish we could come up. We did pretty good with the colors one time. But it comes back to pink and purple and navy and green and stuff like that. At this point, yellow and orange, I believe, maybe green, are the biggest. Okay, so pink has decided to sleep. See, they're up on their feet and doing really well. Ears will open next week. Eyes are open. They're doing great. I'm so happy with them. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hey, buddy. Hello, the orange boy. The peach girl. Green boy. And navy boy. Oh, my finger's in the way. There's green. Hey, buddy. 14 days old. I think I put 16 on the picture I sent. I don't think that's right. We're 14. See, now they smell me. They realize I'm actually here. They get all excited and say, "Bottle! She's got the bottle. I know she does." Okie dokie, yellow girl. Alright. That's it. We're going to let Mommy in.